powered by a 3.7-liter V6 engine. With a 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 25 miles per gallon. This Acura features a sunroof, heated power mirrors, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, xenon headlights, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.